Today I am out on the lanai. Yes, I am out here on the lanai. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. Yes, I have a Dossier review, and I also have a Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree Plus haul for you today. All right, so Dossier sent me over. You know, I get 3 and I do 1 a month. Okay, and this one is, it comes very well packaged. You know, this box. Okay, with Dossier on it. It comes very well packaged. Love the perfume that is in my month for August is Fruity Neroli. Y'all, when I tell you this smells absolutely wonderful, it's fruity, it's good. Okay, so Fruity Neroli, inspired by Armani's My Way. Okay, the first notes you smell are the top notes, which are bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, strawberry. Okay, the middle notes is the heart of the perfume. Okay, that is jasmine, tuberose, orange blossom. And the base notes, which are the notes that linger all day, okay? That is vanilla, musk, and cedarwood. Okay, so, y'all, I know what this smells like. Y'all you won't smell it either through here, but I'm telling you, this smells amazing. Ooh, smells good. Yes. Woo, that Fruity Neroli, honey, I've been wearing this. Okay. I have been wearing it. I like to wear the fragrance, so that you see how they smell. I mean, what's my impression. And it really, really smells good. You know, they got that magnetic top. I love it. I love it, that magnetic. Yes. I don't know anybody else that does this, but I love Dossier. Please go and check Dossier out for your high fragrance perfumes for less. Okay, they are dupes, or you want to call them high-end replicas. Okay. High-end replicas, or whatever you want to call it. Just go and check Dossier out. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. Dossier, thank you so much for, you know, considering me for, you know, to do, you know, you trusted me to do your perfumes, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you, Dossier. All right, y'all, go and check your perfumes out. They can also be found at Walmart. Okay, so thank you again. Go and check them out, y'all. Y'all don't want to pay $100 to $300 for a perfume when you can get it at Dossier. Yes, for $29, $39, $49. Okay, go check them out. Thank you again, Dossier. All right, so let's get to this haul. Okay, first up, I got me some extra virgin olive oil. I get my little olive oil from, you know, from Dollar Tree. Okay, all right, I got that. I also got me some of these, y'all. These right here are so good. I'm telling you, these microfiber washcloths. I don't use them for a washcloth. Because I use different kind of washcloth. I like thick washcloth. I mean, this is nice. I use these for my kitchen. Okay, washing dishes and stuff like that. This is what we use these for. Cleaning off our stove. It cleans your stove so good. I love them. Go and check them out. $1.25. And I also got these Clorox to-go pack. Okay, I get these from the Dollar Tree as well. The Clorox Go Pack. Okay, got that for all your cleaning needs. Y'all, I got these. I can't see you have these, but I got these at the Dollar Tree. Sure Fresh is 2 covers. You can get, cover up your, you know, your, if you get 2 of them, okay, you can cover up your dishes. Like if you want to, put these in the, on top of your dish when you don't have a cover or something, or if you just want to cover them up. I got 2, and that's just for a smaller one. This is the larger. Okay, I say this is the medium size, and this one is the large. Hey, and it's got a little smiley face on there. You can see it. Okay, 2 for $1.25. Not bad. Okay, y'all, I heard that Dollar Tree prices was going back down to $1. Yep, I heard that. Heard that on somebody's channel yesterday. Yep, I heard that. Okay, and I also got these. These are a replay. I always get these Modest Basics alcohol-free disposable washcloths. Y'all, these are thick and they smell good. Okay. Alrighty. I also got the Campbell garlic honey mustard try with chicken or fish. I'm getting ready to put this on my chicken. It is already seasoned. My chicken is already seasoned. I use like herbs, so I don't use salt. If I do, it'll be a little bit of sprinkle of salt. But yes, I'm going to try this out. Look at it. Yeah, I'm going to try this out. Garlic honey mustard chicken. We'll be having for dinner tonight with some asparagus and some spinach and maybe some rice. How about that? I know I gotta get a thumbnail. Alright, and I also got the Olive Garden Italian kitchen signature. You know, their Olive Garden salads, the signature ones. It's like 3 in a pack. It's like 3 in a pack. I don't want to get copywritten. It come like this here, and there's 3 of them in a pack. So yeah, you put this in your salad. They look so good. Oh Lord, I'm gonna get copywritten. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. He was delivering something to somebody's home across the street over there. They just cracked me up just coming through here, you know, playing their music. Alright, so Gain Original. I always get these, y'all, from the Dollar Tree. I love them. It smells so good. I love Gain. I love Gain, okay? Alright. And I also got these right here. These are ice molds, y'all. I'm gonna try these. You can put some lemon pieces in here and try it with the water and put it in. I'm gonna try these today. I'm gonna you can put mint in here. I look dark, y'all. You can put mints in here, you know, mint leaves in here. Any kind of fruit, I believe, you can put in here and freeze it up. I'm gonna try it. But yeah, these are mint balls. I mean, ice balls. Show you what they look like. Yeah, you pour the water through here. Yep. And you can put your fruit and all through here. Whatever you want to put in there. Yeah, wow. And it seals up real good. And you put your water through there. I'm going to try it and see how it works. And I'll let y'all know how it do. Okay. All right, so let's get to the fall stuff. I got this here. I got this here sign. Say pray. I'm gonna put it this way so you'll see it say pray. I love that. Okay. So I got this here. All right, and you can put that up anywhere in your house, on your desk, at your job. Bind up them spirits and let them see pray first. Alright, y'all, I got this real cute ribbon. I thought it was really pretty. Okay. For the fall, it's got the orange, the green, the blue. Just the pretty fall colors beyond the you know, original colors of the fall. I love that blue and that green. That is so pretty. I think that's what I'm gonna do this year. Blue, green, and orange. Okay, that I got these beautiful. I got 3 of these. Can y'all see this in a flower arrangement? Bushed out. You know, you maneuver these the way you want them. Bush them out. Make them so pretty. Okay. So pretty. And I also got these right here. Yes, I love it. I got 4 of these. Okay. I got 2 of the light blue and 2 of the navy blue. Okay, isn't that pretty? And you see that with these? So pretty. That's gonna be pretty together. Yeah. And we're gonna have the white pumpkins in there with it. And I also got, y'all, when I seen these, I was like, yes, Dollar Tree, y'all are doing it this year. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this plate is gorgeous. It has the greens. It has the blues, just like I wanted to do for the fall holiday. I want to use those colors, the blues and the green and the white. Look at that. That goes, y'all, we got somebody delivering stuff. But that goes so good. Oh my goodness, y'all. Can y'all see that together? Yes, absolutely gorgeous. I got 4 of these and I'm going back to get the plates probably sometime today or tomorrow while I'm out after church. But these are so pretty. Okay? And I also got these. Y'all see me? I'm going with the orange. This color right here. I got like 2 of these. No, I got 2 of these, 3 of these, 3 of these, and 3 of these. I got 3 of the like the greenish orange and the orange tips on top of it. And then I got like the green, the orange. So pretty. Isn't that pretty together? Isn't that pretty though? Yes, so I got that. And from the plus department, I got this here, right here. I'm going to put this is like a little serving cheese board set. I'm going to use this also for that, but I'm going to also put it in our kitchen. And just, you know, for the holidays, for the fall season. And yeah, it's really cute. Okay, it's really, really cute. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. And see how it feels and all that good stuff. This is really nice. It says grateful, right? That's cute. I like that. It's in a little leaf form. The back is just plain. So if you want to, you know, not see grateful, I will always want to be grateful. But yeah, put that on top. And yeah. You can put some feet on here, which I probably will do as well. Put some little feet on here. You can get the little wooden things from the Dollar Tree. Okay? Yeah. So you can really do some nice things with this and the little cheese. Nice, you know, to put your cheese with, whatever you want to pick up your things with, yeah. So that's a nice set right there for $5. Okay, so I got that from the plus department. All right, y'all. I am so thankful and grateful and blessed that y'all were here with me. I appreciate you all so much. Remember, like I always say, it is nice to be nice, and I will see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.